Awesome! Look what I got! Awesome! Thank you, Mom. Hey, look what I got!
What?
You don't have an Xbox. I got a cute puppy, and then...
Well, wait a minute. Y'all got some... Y'all get... It doesn't work with the GameCube?
Oh, well, that's what the
Wait a minute. Y'all got $40 yesterday, right?
Yeah.
How much does GameCube cost?
You can't buy it.
How much does an Xbox cost?
Do you like that? Is that what you wanted, baby?
Okay, well maybe next Christmas.
I want it
Maybe next Christmas you'll have enough.
You have a birthday coming up.
I'll turn it off.
You do have a birthday coming up, so maybe you'll get another $40.
See, you guys have one more.
It won't turn off.
Is there one more?
I think there's one more.
Oh, that's right.
No.
The sweaters. Oh my gosh, I said it out loud.
Oh, it's heavy. Go in my pocket. Put them everywhere. Airwalk. I'm gonna play with my
Taking
puppy.
a slide off.
Oh, I got a bottle with my puppy and my phone up there. Oh, I need some
Yeah,
soap.
you sit on her too.
Ow! I can't get these out. Wait. Can you help me?
Just a minute, baby.
Mama. What in the world is... Are you serious? Glidey? Hey.
Oh my God.
You are awesome! Scared me.
I bet.
Yes.
Merry Christmas.
He was freaking tackling you because Olivia's presents right there.
Merry Christmas.
You guys had a great attitude about